guys, guess what? We made
This is the weekend double header. We did Friday in Mount Forest with our figure 8 car, and now we're in Listowel with that Toyota Avalon you guys seen us build. That was a rush stock build for a stock show. No doubles, no real stuff allowed to be changed. Let's see what we got here. This Derby's a little different. There's V8s, there's 4 cylinders, and there's 6 cylinders. All the 6 cylinders run together, all the V8s run together, all the 4 cylinders run together, and then the top 2 from every heat go to the finals. So we're going to be running against, hopefully, some full-frame V8s here. So let's see what we got. So starting off some of the stock cars, we have ourselves a Cavalier over here, a very factory, just a post-to-post in there. And then we are going to be seeing some cars that are a little different today. We have a Suzuki Arrow, I think it's called. A little hatch, little Suzuki over here. Not sure how that's going to do. I haven't seen too many of those. We have an old Oldsmobile over here, rear-wheel drive. That will be running in the full-size rear-wheel drive V8 class. An Impala over here, very stock. Looks like it was built to have a good time today. Still has windshield in it. We got a Chrysler 300C V6. These cars here, you've seen me run them before. They're not bad. They're kind of tough. My Avalon over here. You guys have seen the build-up of this video. We have a Camry. Actually, I believe this, yeah, it is a Camry. 97 Camry? Oh no, I was right. This is a Lexus ES300. A Pontiac G6. Now those cars there do have aluminum spindles, but the back of those things are nasty tough. We have ourselves an 03 Camry over here. Looks like he's put a little bit of time into building it. Hopefully it does what he wants it to do. We have a 97 Camry. This thing looks in great condition. Going to be pretty tough over here. And then we have a Toyota Matrix. This place here used to have a rule that you couldn't run hatches. You had to have sedans. So they've kind of allowed these hatches to start running. Got like a 2010 Caravan and a Matrix up there. Mazda 3 over here, very stock Mazda 3 looking. Hopefully that does some pretty good damage and hits today. This car here was actually in Mount Forest on the Friday night. He broke a spindle and an axle, so he was able to get it fixed and bring it here. It did the Youth Figure 8 and the Mini Smash. A Buick Allure. Those are kind of a bigger GM front-wheel drive. I think this is an Impala front aluminum sub on it. I think this was in Mount Forest on the Friday night. And they have a Honda Accord. We got another Honda Accord over here, and he's cutting off the exhaust. That's how stock a lot of these cars are. Let's go see what else is here. So this show here is a very weird show. You win money in the heat to make it to feature, but in the feature, if you come second, you get nothing. You have to win the feature. So not only are you going against V8 full frames that are stock with sometimes 4 cylinders, Honda Civics kind of thing, if you come second, you get nothing. So it's always been a pretty hard show here. A Ford Taurus. First gen Ford Taurus. You don't see too many of these things around. 98? No, I think this is an 03 and newer Crown Vic. Yeah. Well, it's a Grand Marquis, whatever you guys want to call it, but it's a full frame car. But trying to have everything. So guys, the track here is kind of small. It doesn't really work to the V8's forte. V8s, I think you need a harder, bigger, longer, wider track. The front wheel drives do usually dominate here, but back in the heyday, the V8s were the kings here. I remember taking a Cavalier against a 74 Cadillac here, and it was not a great time. But let's take a look at the track. They're making it even more wet, so that's only going to help the V6s and front wheel drives more. So the track is a fairly small track. There's no figure 8 here. It's just a smash. And like I said, they only have money for the heats. If you come second in the feature, you get nothing except a trophy for first, and second I think gets a trophy too. but oh well. I think it's going to be a good derby, guys. So thanks for watching. We're going to be getting ready for the drivers meeting here very shortly, and then we're going to have all the derby action coming to you in no time, and then you guys got an aftermath of this Avalon, which we've never derbied a new Avalon like this. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see what it's going to do, how it's going to do it, how I do, and who knows if I bring home a trophy tonight or not. It'd be nice, but not guaranteed. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.